Deep in the heart of forest, untouched by time, where moonlight filters through the ancient canopy and the air carries the scent of mist and magic. This bloom a flower unlike any other. It's called Niflora, a name whispered among herbalists and dreamers, and those who still believe in the impossible. Niflora is not just a flower; it's phenomenon of nature, known as bloom only once every decade and only under the rarest of celestial alignments. The name itself comes from the old tongue NYX meaning night and flora meaning bloom. It's often referred to as the flower of the night soul, as symbol of transformation, healing, and deep emotional awakening. According to legend, the Niflora's petals shimmer with a silver blue hue, glowing faintly under the full moon. When touched, they are said to feel cool and weightless, like moonlight itself. But it's not just the appearance that captivates people; it's the story behind it. Ancient healers believe that if you stepped Niflora petals in spring water and drank in under starlight, you would experience your most honest dream, that one that reveals your true path in life. Some even say it grants charity, healing past wounds that no medicine could reach. But Niflora is incredibly rare, not just because of the blooming cycle, just because where it grows. It's said to root itself in places where emotions once ran deep, forgotten battlefields, scared groves, even the ruin of lost cities. Wherever human sorrow or love as has been deeply felt, Niflora may one day bloom. Scientists and botanists have tried to study it, but the flower is said captivity. No attempt to cultivate it in greenhouse or labs has succeeded. It's as if Niflora chooses when and where it appears, remaining a wild and scared part of the natural world. Some believe it's not a plant at all, but a living memory, nature's way of remembering moment we have forgotten. Others see it as a guardian of emotional truth. Whether it is those who have seen it describe the experience as life changing. In modern times, Niflora has become a symbol of inner rebirth. Artists and writers reference it in their work. Tattoos of its glowing petal have becoming popular among those going through transformation or healing. Even luxury perfumes have tried to recreate its scent, described as blend of night blooming jasmine, cool rain, and something indescribable like nostalgia in bloom. But no replica ever truly captures it because Niflora is not just a flower; it's movement, a message, a mirror. It appears only to those who are ready to face their truth. So if you ever find yourself wandering alone in the quiet woods beneath a full moon and you see a faint silver glow rising from the grown paths, listen, look closer. You might just be one of the few who's been chosen by Niflora.